Hi, this is Jessica for 2danimation101.com, and today I'm gonna talk about choosing geometry shapes. If you took all of the other lessons, you definitely understand that any shape could work as long as you have an interesting character and establish a relationship. It can be with other characters, an object, or the audience. Then you develop a great story. In whatever shape you choose, your animation is going to be awesome thanks to the interesting characters and the story. So what do you need to understand body shapes? How expressive do you need your characters to be? Super expressive? Not very expressive at all? It all depends on your story. Remember, for an awesome animation, you need to choose one of two paths. Not a very expressive body language, but an active character who does something to get what he wants, like the black circle who doesn't like to be called a dot. Or a character with awesome body language who expresses feelings with different postures, like in the animation of Who is Better. If you go for the first option, then duh, you don't need this lesson. This lesson is to learn how to use body shapes to express body language. So just shut up and go away. Or stay. I would love it if you stayed to learn more. Okay, let's get going. I will focus on geometry types and how you can use them to express body language. Basic geometry: circle, triangle, square, and rhombus. From there, you can stretch any of those and get an oval, an ellipse, rectangle, and kite. Then, if you distort them, you can get the distorted oval, a curvilinear triangle, and trapezoid. And of course, you could choose to work with more complex shapes like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and crescent or moon shapes. But for this lesson, I will stick with the circle because I just love them. They're cute. The principles that I'll use are also applicable on the other shapes. To be able to express body language, you need the shapes to have legs and arms. And if you also want facial expressions, you could add a mouth. That's the basic for facial expression. Eyes are optional. Adding them will hugely increase the facial expressions, but a mouth would be enough. We will see why in the next lesson, in which I will talk about how to use these elements to express different feelings with your characters.